Hi guys, we from group 9 will present the result of our group discussion, which is about answer the transition question correctly. Attention please. Is where our discussion result. First, brief description of presentation materials. Second, answer question and explanation. Answer question and provide explanation about the material. Third, conclusion about the material. And fourth, closing.
Now we will explain a brief explanation of the answer transition question correctly. Answer transition question correctly. Characteristic of transition question. The question in this material include two things. First, topic before reading passage or preceding. 2. Topics after reading passage or following. Topic on this material is not stated directly in the text or indirectly stated. Then we have to draw our. How to recognize this skill question? First, the paragraph preceding the passage probably. Second, what is most likely in the paragraph following in the passage.
Answer transition question correctly. How is the technique of answering this skill question? Read the first sentence to determine the preceding question. Read the last sentence to specify the following question. Draw conclusion on topics that will appear before or after the paragraph. Select the answer reflected by the beginning or end sentence.
Part 2, answer question and explanation. Program instrumental in the popularization of science was Cosmos. The series broadcast on public television dealt with topics and issues from varied fields of science. The principal writer and narrator of the program was Carl Sagan, a noted astronomer and Pulitzer Prize-winning author. Number 1. The paragraph preceding this passage most probably discusses option A. A different scientific television series. B. Carl Sagan's scientific achievement. C. The Pulitzer Prize won by Carl Sagan. And option D. Public television. Is number 2. The paragraph following this passage most likely contain information on what? Option A. The popularity of science. B. The program Cosmos. C. The astronomer Carl Sagan. Option D. Topic and issues from various fields of science. Number 1. Option A. A different scientific television series came the passage looking for clues that the author is showing some emotion. Study the main idea in the topic sentence and the detail assert to support the main idea. Study the main idea in the topic sentence and the detail assert to support the main idea. And number 2, option C, the astronomer Carl Sagan. Choose the answer that identification, the emotion, draw a conclusion about the purpose, draw a conclusion about the course.
Number 3. The paragraph preceding the passage most probably discusses C. Land-based earthquakes. Because the question is preceding, then we must read the first sentence to determine the preceding question. The reason is because if in the first paragraph it is written, when a strong earthquake occurs on the ocean floor, then the previous paragraph must discuss the earthquake on land. So the correct answer is land-based earthquake. Number 4. Which of the following is most likely the topic of the paragraph following the passage? B. The destructive effect of tsunami on the coast. The question is following. Then we have to read the last sentence. In the last sentence describe when a tsunami reaches shallow coastal water, it can reach a height of 100 feet or 30 meters or more and can cause tremendous flooding and damage to coastal area. Then a right answer is the destructive effect of tsunami on the coast, because the meaning of the answer is the same just as the wording of the sentence is different.
While draft laws are federal laws, marriage laws are state laws rather than federal. Marriage regulations are therefore not uniform throughout the country. The legal marriage age serves as an example of this lack of conformity. In most states, both the man and the woman must be at least 18 years old to marry without parental consent. However, the states of Nebraska and Wyoming require the couple to be at least 19, while the minimum age in Mississippi is 21. If parental permission is given, then a couple can marry at 16 in some states, and a few states even allow marriage before the age of 16, without a judge's permission. In addition to the permission of the parents, is sometimes required in this situation. Some states which allow couples to marry at such a young age are now considering doing away with such early marriage because of the numerous negative effects of this young marriage. 5. The paragraph preceding the passage must probably discuss C. Federal draft laws. The reason if what is being asked is paragraph preceding, we focus in the first paragraph and in the first sentence. Since the passage begins with the expression while draft laws are federal laws, so the correct answer to this question is C. Federal draft laws. 6. The topic of the paragraph following the passage is most likely to be A. Disadvantage of youthful marriage. The reason if what is being asked is paragraph following, we focus in the last sentence. With such early marriage because of the numerous negative effects. So the correct answer to this question is A. Disadvantage of youthful marriage. Conclusion. To determine preceding, read the first sentence. To specify a following, read the last sentence. The answer can be generally be found in the first for preceding or last line for following. Members name: Danis Awanda Pratiwi 13, Indira Diva 23, Niken Fajri Jayatri 13A. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given us new insight on the answer transition question correctly. Thank you.